YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl with Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, tell a mama and them, because we lady over here. And without further ado, y'all, AliExpress got your girl in the chokehold. So y'all, I've been trying to get into different color purses other than the nudes, the browns, the blacks, stuff like that. And also I'm trying to get my summer purses together. So y'all, I decided to get this purse. And already I can tell that it looks a little smaller than it did in the pictures. So what do we have here? Y'all, let me find out that they have on AliExpress the size 18 silver Coach pillow tabby. Like, you gotta be kidding me. Do y'all see this? Got the Coach New York little indentation sticker thing. I don't know what this is. Probably like a batch number. But y'all, this is the silver pillow tabby. As you can see, the outlining of the C is gold hardware, and that up against the silver, well, you know, the silver part, that is pretty cute. I really like the gold instead of having silver on silver. I think it gives it that pop of color. This is definitely a statement piece. Say if you just want to wear something that's regular degular, but wear this as the statement piece, this is definitely a cute purse. This is the bottom part, side, and it's soft like butter. And as you can see, it has the magnetic little thing right there, the closure. And this is also gold. And right here, it has the zipper. As you can see, the zipper is definitely off. So we're just going to put it back on track. A lot of times I have to do this to my bags. And then just close it back. And there it goes. So with this one, and y'all, even inside it says Coach. What are they doing? What they doing over there at AliExpress? So we have a long strap right here, which I know usually I just use my own guitar strap. And this has the gold, I was going to say software, hardware. With the holes in it, so you can make it shorter or longer. And y'all know I'm definitely going to have to use my little purse extenders because I'm pretty tall and that's going to be pretty short on me. You have two sides and the middle piece goes all the way down, so there's no opening at the bottom. So it definitely, or it's a little opening right there. So it definitely separates each side. And then it has the top handle strap. So it has this side, this middle pocket, this side, and then this little pocket up against right here, the wall of the purse. There's no pockets on the outside. I thought this was very cute. Sorry y'all, I'm shaking the table. Let's just put this on here. And y'all, this is cute. They had it in different colors. And I just figured I should get a silver purse. I don't have anything silver other than that Chanel book bag. So I really wanted something nice. And I thought this was real cute. But it's definitely smaller than I thought it was going to be. We got Mama Rare up in the house. Say what's up, Mama.
Hello.
Girl, you don't even talk like that. She like, hello. She got on her, what is her parent-teacher conference voice. She don't even talk like that, y'all.
Hello, family.
She said, what's up, my familias? You like this purse, Mom?
It's too little.
What do you think we should do with this purse?
I think it should be a giveaway.
You think it should be a giveaway? I was thinking the same thing, girl. So y'all heard Mama Ray in the background. She said it, we gonna do it. So this is going to be the 800 giveaway. We made it, y'all. Bum, 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 bum. We made it. We made it. You know Drake?
No.
We made it.
We made it.
Girl, you always listen to that song. You'll be like, what do you be like? Something, something is provocative. Keeps the people going. And she be like, get out of my office.
No.
Okay. Anyway, she left me hanging. I thought we was going somewhere. We didn't get there. So this is going to be our 800 subscribers giveaway. This is the silver pillow tabby in the size 18 with the top handle and the crossbody strap. So you're going to be getting both, including the little tab thing that say Coach New York, New York. So in this one, Mama, you pick it. What's the hashtag gonna be? Don't be difficult. Don't be difficult. Cause you know I'll be like hashtag chili cheese fries. Should we do that?
It's gonna be hashtag Mama Rear.
Hashtag Mama Rare. So, in this giveaway, you want to make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the video. I'm definitely making a list and checking it twice. Make sure you're following my Instagram, which is at Rare Secrets. If you don't have, social media, I understand that, but make sure you are following the YouTube page. Make sure you like the video, and in the comments, make sure you put hashtag what?
Mama Rear.
Mama Rear up in this joint.
Mama.
Mama. R.I.P. R.I.P. That was our homeboy.
Yes.
Especially when they was in the karaoke one. When it was like, Sweet Caroline.
Oh! Mama!
Mama! So yes, it's going to be hashtag Mama Rare Secrets. Once again, y'all, make sure, and even if you forget what the requirements is, check in the description box. You want to make sure you follow YouTube, like the video, follow the IG, both at Rare Secrets. If you don't have IG, that's fine. But also put hashtag Mama Rare. It's going to be MAMARARE. Mama Rare. So, may the best family member win. Once again, it's the silver Coach pillow tabby size 18 from the good old AliExpress. So, I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye!